Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review, and welcome back to another Bandai Model Kit Review. This time it is the Star Wars Grogu from the TV series The Mandalorian. This is a 1/4 scale kit, and a 12th scale Grogu is included. This kit came out in 2022, and it's probably the last series of Bandai kits to come out by them, because I believe they lost the licensing to produce any more kits of this. Let's look inside the box. Two bags of parts. We have a tan colored bag of parts, yellow and tan, and green and gray and black with some stickers. The instructions, we'll look at those here in a second. Nothing new here. It's the typical high quality instructions you get from Bandai with color and black and white illustrations. The backside usually gives us a decal placement and painting instructions. It's very well laid out here. I'll give you a close-up. You can see there. Very nicely painted here in the illustration, so it does give you a good idea on how to do this. And color guide down below in English and Japanese. Let's look inside the instructions here real quick. Like I said, you do get black and white illustrations for the instructions, and you also get some color. Get a key here to all the parts that should have been included. Fold it out here. Give you a wider view so you can see what everything looks like in the instructions here. Front and back illustrated. Turn it over. So you actually get two kits here. You get the larger Grogu and of course the smaller Grogu in the crib. Let's go ahead and look at the kit parts. Here's the first tree with the cape and clothing. It is in a light tan color and obviously snapped together like always with these Bandai kits. Get a closer look, and close-up of the clothing there. You can see very well detailed. Slight texturing for the clothing. That would be the back side of his shirt and the front side. Another shoulder. The little Grogu, I believe. Little arms. Flip it over. A little detail there on that side. It shows you just how large of a void there is in this kit. The next tree is smaller, but it's a darker tan color. And you can see that as compared to the other tree, the color difference. More of his clothing. Both large and small. 1/12 or 1/4 scale. 1/4 scale being the larger, 1/12 being the smaller. Closer view. The next bag of parts contained 2 more trees. This is the first tree here, and I absolutely love this technology from Bandai where they give you different color plastic on the tree itself. And we have white and the lime green color along with the black and clear. And I wish they would incorporate this technology on their smaller kits. I did a review on the Special Forces TIE Fighter set, and I'd love it if they would have done this technology with that to give you clear parts and the red parts and such for that kit, but they did not. But this is nice here. Let's get a closer view. So here's the cradle, the floating cradle. Very nice detail there. A little bit of slide molding technology going on here too, if you look. And very, very nice. It's an impressive little kit. Clear parts are very clear, very nice. The hands, lime green. The little Grogu, or in the beginning we called it Baby Yoda because we didn't know what it was called, did we? Pretty cool. And the frog. The meal for Grogu. Turn this over. Look at the other side of the frog. Grogu's ears, little hands. The underside, look at that. Very detailed, even on the underside of the... Very nice. Very nice. And the final tree of parts, which is obviously the head of Grogu and his ears. That's what that looks like there. Backside. Let's get close. There's the ears. And the head. 2 different heads. Different ears, obviously. Bottom of the feet. And that's what it looks like on the back side. And this side there, the feet. Let's look at the stickers. Here's the stickers. No water slide decals were included. The original Bandai Star Wars kits included both. It was nice to have the option of having water slide versus the stickers. But the stickers are quite good. They're just as good as the water slide. They go down very nicely. They wrap on complicated curves and surfaces, and it makes it really nice. So let's get a closer view. And these look like the markings to detail out his floating bed or floating crib. Very cool there. All beat up and chipped up. And then I believe these are for his ears. Yeah. Very cool. And there you have it. That was the open box review of the Bandai The Mandalorian Grogu kit, both in 1/4 and 1/12 scale. So you actually get 2 kits with this. You might want to pick one up yourself, as I do believe that Bandai lost their licensing for these kits, and these are going to become more and more rare as they go along. There's already a few of them out there that are hard to get and are very expensive. But this is, I think, the coolest of the Mandalorian kits figure-wise. I love the hair detail here. You could easily replicate that if you wanted to. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Let me know what you think of this kit. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.